Crafting a Zen-Inspired Living Room. Embrace calm with minimalist design and Zen principles. Creating a calming and minimalist living room, inspired by Zen principles, involves an intentional approach to design that emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and harmony. The essence of Zen philosophy lies in its ability to promote peace and mindfulness through an uncluttered environment where every element serves a purpose. By adopting these principles, one can transform a living space into a serene retreat that nurtures the mind and soul. Start with a neutral color palette to lay the foundation for tranquility. Soft shades of white, beige, gray, and earth tones can evoke a sense of calm and allow the mind to relax. These colors not only provide a soothing backdrop, but also enhance the feeling of spaciousness, which is essential in a minimalist setting. Avoid bold colors or busy patterns that could distract from the overall serenity of the space. Furniture should be carefully selected to maintain simplicity and functionality. Choose pieces with clean lines and smooth surfaces, avoiding ornate detailing or excessive ornamentation. Low-profile furniture can create an open and airy feel, typical of Zen-inspired spaces. Opt for a comfortable sofa and perhaps a pair of chairs with sleek silhouettes, ensuring there is enough seating without overcrowding the room. A smooth wooden coffee table or a glass alternative can serve as a focal point without being intrusive. Clutter is the antithesis of a Zen-inspired living room, so it is crucial to incorporate effective storage solutions that promote organization. Built-in shelves, hidden compartments, and multifunctional furniture can help keep belongings organized and out of sight. This approach not only maintains the minimalist aesthetic, but also enhances the functionality of the space. Aim to keep surfaces clear, displaying only a few carefully chosen items that bring joy or have sentimental value. Nature plays a significant role in Zen design, fostering a connection with the natural world that is both calming and invigorating. Integrate elements like indoor plants or a small bonsai tree to bring life and energy into the room. Natural materials, such as wood, stone, and bamboo, are excellent choices for flooring, furniture, and decorative elements, reinforcing the organic feel. Large windows or sliding doors can also blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, allowing natural light to flood the space and further enhance the sense of openness. Lighting in a Zen-inspired living room should be soft and layered, creating an atmosphere that is both inviting and restful. Utilize a combination of natural light, ambient lighting, and task lighting to achieve the desired effect. Consider placing a few strategically positioned lamps with soft, diffused light to create warmth in the evenings. Dimmable lighting options can provide flexibility, allowing you to adjust the mood according to the time of day or activity. Accessories in a Zen living room should be minimal and meaningful. Instead of cluttering the space with decorative objects, focus on a few pieces of art, a simple vase with fresh flowers, or a carefully chosen sculpture. These elements should complement the overall design, adding interest without overwhelming the space. The goal is to curate an environment that encourages reflection and mindfulness. Incorporating Zen principles into your living room design not only elevates its aesthetic appeal but also enhances its functionality as a space for relaxation and renewal. By focusing on simplicity, natural elements, and thoughtful organization, you can create a living room that serves as a sanctuary from the chaos of daily life. This harmonious and serene environment will not only be a testament to minimalist design but also a personal haven that supports your well-being.